reason we're moving away every now and then, of course, is to give him a little break.
Mental break.
Yeah, a little
Yes.
break. Yeah. All right, let's just see if he can look away. See if he looks at me. We'll just wait like a few seconds and see if he looks back. If he can look back.